You are not going to believe what this place is doing with scraps. Welcome to Geek to Me Crafts, where I help you source affordable craft supplies. I provide tutorials and give you inspiration for DIYs. So welcome to ScrapsKC. This is a unique place here in Kansas City, Missouri. It is just a warehouse full of donated items that people would consider scrapping, but they put to good use. This place has fabric and, as you'll see, all kinds of other things. So here they have all of the textile and homewares fabrics organized by color, and it's super cheap. I pulled out just a roll of cotton. It was 2 yards and all they wanted for it was $6. So, I mean, you just can't beat that. And then, of course, look what's hanging out of the scrap basket right here. Are you kidding me? I ran out of that when I was making masks like the first week. So just digging through here, you can see scraps. You can use this kind of stuff for stuffing animals. Oh my gosh, there's more Harry Potter right here. And went in my basket. And more right there. Anyway, so you can use this for stuffing dolls. You can use this for scrap quilts, all kinds of things. I've got bags and bags and bags of scraps that I need to do something with. There's a cute peppermint pattern right there. There's tons of pink in here. Now, the way that they do it is they give you a little plastic bag, and it's $4, and you can fill up the whole bag. I just can't believe how cheap it is. I have gotten so many great fabrics here. Brand new, great quilting fabrics. So on the back side, here's the rest of the textile fabrics that you can use to reupholster your chairs, whatever you need. There's some samples there. And then if you are doing anything with coffee bags, they only want $1 for those. It's unbelievable. And then the yarn, oh my gosh, there's just, in addition to Dollar Tree, this is where I get all my yarn now. I don't pay full price for yarn anymore at all because, I mean, why? People are throwing this away and it's perfectly good. So here is somewhat organized by color. I know that they do separate out the wool yarn from everything else, but the cottons and the acrylics are kind of mixed in together. So there's some. They always have like a little sample hanging up of one of the employees that they had made, also arranged by color order. There's some tiny ones, some specialty yarns, scrap bags. There's the neutrals, huge skeins of yarn. Further on down, there are scrap pieces of leather. It's 50 cents per ounce. I can't get over this. And if you are someone who does Cricut stuff, leather earrings, any of that kind of thing, I can't get over how affordable it is. There's lining fabrics. There's rolls of fabrics that you can use to redo some curtains. They have a huge collection of sample tiles. I guess you could make mosaics or use these for bookmarks. You could possibly cut them with a Cricut machine or some other type of Dremel tool. Leave a comment below. What would you use with these materials? Also, if you're getting value out of this video, go ahead and smash that like button. So what I came in here for was die cut paper in the shape of different things, and I eventually did find them, but here they have used machines, extra paper. Here are some just paper stamps that you can use to cut out different shapes. It's just a teacher's paradise. They also have used scrapbooking materials. Over here there's stickers and stamps and used ink pads. I even saw there for a second was brand new packages of parchment nobody ever used. What a great way to learn how to do calligraphy. That's so popular right now. There's more stamps. Every once in a while, ScrapsKC gets extra office supplies and things from places that are closing or just upgrading their materials. So there were all kinds of tubs and organizational cabinets. There's bags of feathers, tons of marbles. Over here, pieces of wood that you could paint, carve, gift. What would you do with those? Let me know. This next section here is an artist's paradise. I mean, if you're in art school and you can't afford brand new equipment, this is your place. I mean, there's calligraphy equipment, there's floral forms. You can learn Chinese and Japanese writing. There's bamboo calligraphy pens. There's regular calligraphy pens. There's art kits, paint brushes in any size that you could possibly need. And then teachers, if you were looking for toilet paper rolls for crafts for the fall, or foam, or anything like that, this is the place. I am a teacher in the inner city, and I really like to plan some science and technology lessons, and I come here to get my stuff because it's just so cheap, and I feel really good about using things that people would normally just throw away. So right here are just books and books and books of sheet music. You can turn these into ornaments or gifts. And further on down here, there are some records. There's CDs. There are CD cases. Here's old film. What would you do with those? Let me know in the comments below. Right here are some extra tubs and totes for organizing. If you have a craft room or a classroom, these would be really great to snatch these up and organize them. If you do that, can you please post pictures so that I can see? Right there, there's some old receipt tape. I might make a video someday about using my strips of fabric left over to make some scrap quilts. And then I just can't believe the amount of paper clips. Please don't buy paper clips. They have plenty. And they have ribbon organized by every color, size, shape imaginable. And then like high quality ribbon too. Look at that embroidery, so pretty. So many colors. Over here we have school supplies, highlighters, pens. They've got extra crayons, markers, notebooks, folders, notebook paper, copy paper. Unbelievable. There's shipping supplies. I do like to get my envelopes from here, especially the padded ones. They're the cheapest that I've been able to find in town anywhere. I bet you could pop some of the keys off of that old equipment and use those for different things. Be really interesting. Right here is some Thanksgiving decor, which is why I really came in today. I am in charge of decorating some of the school for Thanksgiving and the holidays, so I came in here to see what they got, and I found some treasures. Okay, is anybody else obsessed with vintage chalkboards? I'm obsessed. Oh my goodness, they have bamboo knitting needles. I needed some more of these. I did not want to pay full price for them. They are name brand, Clover brand, and they're made out of bamboo. These are the best for knitting with acrylic yarn because they really grip the yarn and it doesn't slip off like the metal knitting needles do. I absolutely love those, and they were only $3, so I definitely grabbed another pair of those because my daughter got a hold of my other pair and they were broken, so I got some new ones. There's some frames. They have embroidery supplies and all kinds of handicraft things. These are all buttons organized by color. I think you can even buy them in bulk. Right there, you can put as many as you want in a bag and just pay for the bag. And this is what I ended up purchasing. I got some foam snowflakes. I believe they're stickers. You just peel off the back. We were planning on using these at school to write children's names on them to decorate the front entryway. And they come in pink, white, and blue. That whole thing was only $4, and I don't have to spend the time cutting them out on my Cricut machine. Right here is I thought they were wreaths, but now that I'm pulling them apart, they're actually like wire. So I'll have to get kind of creative to figure out what I'm going to do with those. I also got some ornaments to add to the snowflakes to just decorate the front entryway. I think some really cute silver metallic Sharpie or gel pen would be really, really nice on those. I also found the die cut fall leaves and these adorable window clings. These things, I'm so glad I found them. And then down at the bottom here, give thanks. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value out of this, please subscribe, stick around, check out the other things, and then leave me a comment below. What else would you like to see? Thank you, and have a wonderful day.